Jess, where is everybody?
I don't know.
This is so weird.
School should be full right now.
Hello?
Anybody here?
Whoa!
That scared me.
Finally, school starts today.
I thought summer vacation would never end.
Wait a second.
Did you just celebrate?
What?
No.
You totally celebrated. I saw it too.
Maybe a little.
Just a tiny bit.
Don't miss us too much. Yeah, we know you'll miss us.
Yes! School is back! We did it! This doesn't make any sense.
Maybe we're too early?
No, school should already be open.
Ben, the door's open.
That's even weirder.
Did you see that? Yeah. Whoa! That scared me.
Follow the clues.
Ben, look.
Maybe it's one of the clues. A treasure hunt?
Or a mystery.
The clue must be in here.
This place feels different today. Let's find it. It's so big. Ben, I found it. You did. A secret compartment.
This is getting awesome. The clue says the science lab.
Do you think that's what the key is for?
Let's find out.
It's locked.
Not for long.
Did you see that blue light? Let's go. Over there. I think we found the next clue.
Ben, what was that?
I don't know, but I think we should keep going. The gym. We're getting closer. I still don't see anyone. Me neither. Did you hear that? Something's inside. How is that possible? I think there's something next to the ball. A treasure chest. Oh, we must be getting close. Ben, the whistle is moving. I think it's trying to show us where to go. There's a staircase back there. Oh, I don't think students are supposed to know about this. Huh? Do you think we're getting close? Definitely. I think this is the final clue. It's beautiful.
What's in there?
I don't know. Wow. What is this place? Look! Congratulations!
You found every clue.
It was you! You planned all of this?
Every year we create a secret first day challenge, and this year, you two solved it.
We did? That was awesome! Everybody was here! I can't believe it! Welcome back to school!
For bravery, teamwork, and solving every clue. I've never won a medal before.
This is the coolest first day ever! That was so much fun! We should do this every year. Do you think Mom and Dad will believe us? No chance.
Whoa! Where did those medals come from?
We solved a huge mystery! It all started when nobody was at school. And then we found secret clues everywhere.
I think they had a pretty good first day.
I think so too.
Did you enjoy our mystery adventure?
Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time!